Hello everyone, welcome to omcmacOS.com. This video is about how to type square root on your Mac, iPhone and iPad. Now, I just hit the search button on my website and then I will search with the keyword square root and hit the enter. Just wait for a second and then we see the result. Just hit on the first one. Right now, we can see there are four options to type the square root. The first is use the keyboard shortcut. This is the simple and quick way to type square root symbol. Just hit the put option and letter V on the keyboard. Now I'm on the browser, Chrome browser right now. I just hit option and V and number 5. It is same for another app like Word or Google Notes or any application that you want. Now I'm on the writing app. This one, and then I just hit option and letter V, and then I hit number 3, and then option letter V, and then option 1. Yeah, it is same. So that is the first method right now. The second one is use the copy button. If you don't want to use the keyboard shortcut, you can click on the copy button on my page right now. I just built a tool that you can easily to hit that one button right now. You copy it and then I just paste anywhere I want. Now hit the copy. You can see it's here right now. On any application, you can right click and hit paste. Letter 7. Yeah. And the last one is your character viewer. So now I'm to MacBook M4 and I can just hit the Fn and letter A on my keyboard. Fn and letter A, and you see character viewers appear right now. I will search with square root, and you see it's appear right now. Just hit on that. It will and continue with Fn and letter E. And you see it's appear on the reasons emoji or character that we used before. Click on it and then add any number you want. That is the 3 methods that we can use on Mac OS. So if you want to use it on iPhone or iPad, just hit the copy button right now, right here, and click on it and paste on your Messenger or any application on your iPhone, iPad. Hope video will help you to type the square root symbol on your device. So see you in next video. Bye.